let's get started. So, like I said, today it's going to be about matchsticks puzzles. And let's see, guys. Let's see what Mr. Polar Bear has to say. And Wukong, we've learned about matchsticks before, and I know some of you will remember that we did some matchsticks puzzles lessons together with me very long time ago, and it's that moment that we're going to do it again. So, yes, Mr. Polar Bear, I do remember matchsticks puzzles, and I remember that we actually made some beautiful shapes like fishes or boats with using the matchsticks. But also, guys, you should remember that we have used matchsticks to write numbers, the digital numbers like this one. So notice, yes, these are digital numbers, which means, guys, you're probably going to see this on your electronic watch or any electronic device. So that's why these numbers, you need to be a little bit familiar, guys, okay? A little bit more familiar with matchsticks numbers. Okay, so now, but do you remember how many matchsticks did we use for creating number 1 and 2? Well, Wukong is saying 1 is made out of 1, 2 is made out of 3. And I think Wukong is wrong. So what is he wrong about, guys? So let me know, guys. Wukong said something wrong. That's right, Ethan. No, it's not 4. Remember, yes, 2 has 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 matchsticks. So you need to remember how many matchsticks we need to make these numbers. Okay? And yes, Ethan, it's going to be very easy for you today, I think. Okay. All right. So that's right. So let's have a look at this question together. And raise your hand if you want to help me for this question. Okay. So let's have so many people. Okay. Let's have Candy. Hello, Candy.
Hi.
So Candy, can you first let me know how many matchsticks you need to use to make number 0?
6.
Good. What about number 1?
Huh?
What about number 1? How many matchsticks do we need to use?
2.
2. What about number 2?
5.
Good. What about number 3?
5.
Good. What about number 4?
4.
What about number 5?
5.
What about number 6?
6.
What about number 7?
3.
Good. What about number 8?
7.
What about number 9?
6.
Very good. Well done, Candy. That's it. So you've got everything correct. Well done. Thank you. And now, we need to now think, okay, what numbers can we make if we add 1 matchstick? 1 more matchstick. So who can help me out for this one, guys? Raise your hand. Okay. So let's have Sophie. Okay. Hello, Sophie. Where's Sophie? Hello, Sophie.
Hi.
So what numbers can we make by adding 1 more matchsticks for number 0?
8.
Very good. So we can make 8 like this. So as you can see, first of all, I need to write number 0. And you guys can see that. If I add 1 more matchstick in the middle, we get 8. Good. What about number 1? Can we turn this into a different number?
7.
7. Yes. If we draw number 1 first, and we can see that, oh, if we just add 1 more, we can make into 7. What about number 2?
Don't think you can turn it to any other.
You don't think it can turn into any number? I agree. There's none. You cannot make number 2 into a different number just by adding one more to number 2. Okay, good. What about number 3?
9.
9. Very good. So that's right. If we draw number 3 first, like this, and if we just add one more here, we can turn it into 9. Good. What about number 4? Can we make it into a new number?
No.
No? No, that's right. That's right, Sophie. We cannot make it into any other number. Good. What about number 5?
6.
6. Very good. So we can turn 5 into 6 by putting one more over here. Good. Is that it though?
Could also turn it into 9.
Very good. Excellent. We can actually make number 5 into 9 as well, because if we have 5 over here, we can turn this into 9. Good. What about number 6? Can we turn number 6 into a different number?
8.
Very good. So if we have number 6 like this, we can add one more and make 8. Good. What about number 7? What do you think, Sophie?
Can't find any.
Yes, that's right. You cannot. Very good. That's it. What about number 8? Can we make this into a new number?
No.
No, it's already full. Very good. What about number 9?
You can turn it into 8.
Very good. So if we have 9 like this, all we need to do is put one more and make it into 8. Well done, Sophie. Thank you very much for helping me out. So guys, as you can see, these are the numbers that you can make below just by adding one more matchsticks. So does everybody understand how I turned these numbers into a new number, guys? And just remember, guys, number 5 is a special number that you can turn into both 6 and 9. Okay? Very good. It's very easy. Livy, what's wrong? Okay, so Livy. Okay, let me ask Livy. Hello, Livy. Is everything okay?
We had a problem and we were late. We couldn't find one iPad for like the first few hours.
Sorry, can you say it again?
We had a problem and we couldn't find this iPad, so I missed out like most of the class.
Okay, so all right. So Livy, what I was talking about, these are matchsticks, and as you can see, we can make numbers 0 to number 9, and just by adding one more matchsticks, for example, if you look at number 0, let me just use my pen. Okay, if you look at number 0, if you add one more matchsticks, what number does it become?
8.
Yes. So this is the activity that we did when you had some problems. So basically, you can turn 1 into 7, and you cannot turn number 2 into any other number, and same with 4 and 7 and 8. So that's what I was talking about. Do you understand now?
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right. So now, guys, as you can see, let's have a look at this question. So in this equation, guys, one of the number is wrong. Can you make some changes by adding only one matchsticks and make this question true? Because look, 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 minus 5 is going to be 8, but it's 4. So something is wrong, guys. So what do you think, guys? What do you think? Let me know in the chat box. What should I do? What about 5? Jason, no, you can only add one matchstick. Yes, I think if we turn 5 into 9, we can probably make this question true. Look, 6 plus 7 is 13. minus 9 equals to 4. So yes, that's the answer. But guys, this is an easy question, but I want you guys to understand something if you want to do harder question. So guys, what number can we make 6 into, guys? So let me know what number you can turn 6 into. 8, good. What number can you turn 7 into, guys? Nothing, that's right. What number can you turn 5 into? That's right, 6 and also 9. What number can we turn 4 into, guys? None. Nothing. Very good. So, but 1 second, guys. This is actually really, really important over here. Having 4 not being able to change. Because do you know what that means? Wait a minute. Something plus something minus something should always equal to 4. And do you see? Since we cannot change 4, our answer must be 4. Does that make sense, guys? This is really important because you need to remember this to do harder puzzles, guys. So first of all, you need to think, okay, so which one we cannot change? 7 and 4, but wait a minute, 4. I cannot change 4, so whatever I change here, guys, whatever I change, I always need to make my answer as 4. Do you understand? This is really important, guys. Good. And now all you need to do is check whether it works for 8, whether it works for 6, whether it works for 9. Okay? So let's have a look. So first of all, 8 plus 7 minus 5. Let's see what that is. This is 15 minus 5 equals to 10. So 8 doesn't work. Okay, let's try 6 plus 7 minus 9. Or actually, let's do 6 first. This is 13 minus 6 equals to 7, so it doesn't work. So we're left with 9, which does work because 6 plus 7 minus 9, this is 13, and that is 4. So very good. Okay, so see how it's very convenient. All we need to do is make 4 because our answer never changes because you cannot change 4 into a new number just by adding only one matchsticks. Okay. So this is your turn, guys. I want you guys to try this question on your own. So it's okay if you're not using my method for now because I think this question is very easy. So what number should we change just by adding one more matchsticks, guys? You can't add 2 or 3, okay? Just 1. So I'll give you a time. Okay, guys, so the time is up. And yes, everybody, the answer is B. So well done, guys, for those of you who selected B. And let's see. Raise your hand if you want to explain this question. Okay, so let's have Kathy. Okay, let's have Kathy. Hello, Kathy.
Hi.
Hi. So how did you do this question?
So first I calculated 4 plus 9 take away 3 equals not 12 equals 13 because 7 plus 9 equals 16 and minus 3 equals 13. And then I put 1 stick on 9. It's 8 and 7 plus 8 equals 15 and 15 minus 3 equals 12.
Very good. That's right. So that's it. Well done, Kathy. So, whoops. Sorry, Devin. So, guys, as you can see, all we have to do is make 8. So we need to change number 9. But you need to understand, let's do some experiments. Guys, if we did 7 plus 9 minus 3, like what Kathy did, we get 16. 16 minus 3 equals to 13. And guys, what is the difference between 13 and 12, guys? 13 and 12. 1, exactly. We have one more. So that means we need to change one of these numbers into one less. And clearly, you cannot make 7 into 6, right? So no, it's not 7. And clearly, we cannot make, 3 into, 2. So no, we want to make 2, but it doesn't work. Or you could have thought, hey, can I make 2 into 3 because I want 13? No, you cannot make 3. So that means, hey, I can make 9 into 8, which is 1 less. That's why we were able to make this equation true. Okay, this is another interesting experiment that I want you guys to think about because I want you guys to not guess and check every numbers. I want you guys to understand more mathematically what is the possibility just by looking at the wrong equation first. I'm sure Sophie and other smart people will understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so now guys, what about multiplication? Ooh, again, can you make this true by adding one more matchsticks, guys? So, why don't we solve this together? So guys, what do we need to do first? Do we subtract first or multiply first, guys? What do we do first? We multiply, yes. So what is 5 times 2, everybody? 10, yes. And let's try it out. What is 14 minus 10, guys? Equals to 4. So let's think about it, guys. Okay, so we know it's wrong, but the way how I like to do always first, guys, let's think about all the numbers that we can change into. So guys, by adding one matchstick, what number can I change number 1 into? 7. Good. What about number 4? Can I change this to any new number by adding one more? No. What about 5? Can I change into a new number? Yes. 6. And is that it? Also 9. Good. What about number 2? Can I change number 2 into a new number, guys? Yes? No? How can you change this to 6? No. You can only add 1, so it's no. What about number 2 again? You cannot. So now guys, what did I say? I will give you a trophy if you answer this question. What did I say if you see your answer it cannot be changed? Let me know in the chat. So yeah, that's right. You cannot change the answer, which means, that's right, try other numbers, which means your answer should always be 2. Okay? Alright. But guys, think about it. This is 10, so 5 times 2 is 10, guys. Do you think it's going to be good if we change this to 74? It's going to be too big. No. So that means, guys, there's only 2 options left for us to think about it. So once you analyze, guys, you just need to try 2 things. Change this to 6 or 9. Okay, now obviously it's going to be 6 because if I change this to 9, this is going to be 18. It's going to be too big and we get a negative number, right? So 14 minus 6 times 2, this is 12. 14 minus 12 is 2. Yes. So guys, do you see how easy these steps are? Once you know what can be changed, what cannot be changed, right? And if you see, my answer cannot be changed, then that means I just need to focus on, hey, just make 2. Don't worry about anything else. Just make this equation true to make your solution as 2. Okay, very good, guys. So this is your turn. Now, one thing. Guys, one of the number is wrong. You can only add 1 matchsticks. And look, guys, if you want to select 0, you need to look at the numbers below, the circle numbers. So A means this one, 2 means this one, 3 means this, and this. Okay, so don't make any silly mistakes because many people make silly mistakes just by looking at wrong numbers, guys. Okay, so be careful, guys. So you guys can start now. I will give you 2 minutes I'll give you 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So, okay, guys, the time is up, and let's see. The answer is A. Well done, guys. And now Who can explain this question and also analyze? I want somebody to analyze. Okay. So let's have William. Okay, where's William? Hello, William.
Hello.
Hi. So first of all, I think you know the answer. So what's the answer? So what number should we change into?
0,
0 to what number?
8,
Good. So now that means this becomes, what is it? What's 8 times 6?
48.
48 minus 15 is 33. Good. And now I'm asking you to analyze. So first of all, what numbers can you change 0 into?
8,
Good. What about 6? What number can we change 6 into?
8,
What about number 1?
7,
What about number 5?
9, or
No.
6.
Yes, 9 and 6. What about 3? Can we change 3?
Mm, 9.
Yes, good. So that means this 3 can change into 9. But as you can see, the options are only 4 options. 1, 2, 3, and 4 like this. So that means we don't need to worry about 7. We don't need to worry about this 9. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, and now, first of all, do we do multiplications first or subtractions first, William?
Multiplication.
Yes, and what's 0 times 6?
0.
0. So immediately, oh, we don't want to have this 0, otherwise it's going to be a big problem, right?
Yeah.
So the first attempt changing into 8 gave you the answer straight away. So well done, William. Thank you very much for helping me out with the analysis. I'll give you a trophy. So yes, everybody, pretty easy, right? Pretty easy. Yes, good, good, good. Very good, guys. Now, how about, guys, taking away 1 matchsticks? Ooh, so how about if we take away 1 matchsticks, guys? So it's going to be a little bit different now. So, guys, who can help me out with this question? So, okay, let's have Jeffrey. Hello, Jeffrey.
Hello.
Hello. I'm wearing your favorite t-shirt, by the way, just for your information. So, Jeffrey, remember, you can only take away 1 matchsticks, okay? Remember that? So what number can we make from 0?
None.
None. Good. What about 1?
None.
None. What about 2?
None.
None. Good. What about number 3? Think carefully, okay?
None.
None. Very good. What about number 4?
None.
None. What about number 5?
None.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Yes, good. You didn't fall for my trap. Good job, Jeffrey. What about number 6?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you really, really sure?
Yes, I am.
You're wrong. We can actually change into a new number.
Wait, what? Oh. 5.
Yes, that's right. All we need to do is take away this one over here and make into 5. Can you see it now, Jeffrey?
Oh, yeah.
Good. So focus, all right? So we can change into 5. What about number 7?
1.
Good. All we need to do is take away this one out and it becomes into 1. Very good, Jeffrey. What about number 8?
Yes. Number 9.
Number 9, yes. Is that it?
And number 6.
Yes, is that it?
And number 0.
Good, very good. So we can 8 is a very special number because we can turn into 0. And also we can turn into 6. And we can also turn into 9. What about number 9, Jeffrey?
5.
5, yeah, is that it?
You can do number 3.
Good, number 3 as well. Very good, Jeffrey. So yes, number 9 can turn into 3 and 9. Not 9, sorry, 5. Good. Now, here's a funny story. I actually like, Jeffrey, I'm sure you're going to like as well. I like to solve matchsticks puzzles when I just need to take away one of them. Do you know why? Because I don't need to worry about anything else other than these 4 numbers. 6, 7, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. Just remember 6, 7, 8, 9. Because none of them else, you cannot change into a different number. Isn't that quite nice? Don't you think, Jeffrey?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we only have 4 numbers to remember. 6, 7, 8, and 9. So very good. Thank you so much, Jeffrey, for helping me out. I can see you're also wearing a blue t-shirt. Okay, good. All right, so guys, do you guys understand what I mean? Taking away one matchstick is very easy and my favorite because the only number I need to remember is 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay? Very good, guys. And now, have a look at this question. Ha! Guys, if you want to think about what numbers I can change, what are the 4 numbers I can change if you're taking away? What were the 4 numbers, everybody? Good! 6, 7, 8, 9. So that means, can I change number 1, guys? Can I change number 1? No! Can I change number 2? No! Can I change number 1? No and no. So, guys, if the answer cannot be changed, it's our favorite question. Why? Yes, Tara, because no matter what, it should always be 11. Good job, good job. So guys, we just need to think about, hey, I want to change 8 and I want to change 6. So it could be one of them. But what were the numbers that you can change 8 into? Yes, 0, 6, and 9. Good. What about number 6? What number can we change this into, guys? 5. Good. So, let's solve this question first. So, 18 minus 2. What's 18 minus 2, guys? Let's do it first. What's 18 minus 2? Good. 18 minus 2 is 16. 16 minus 6 equals to what, guys? Equals to 10. Guys, 10 and 11. The difference is what? 1 more. So can we make 1 more or 1 less? So, of course, If I change 8 to 0, it's going to be too small. Nope. 6, no, it's going to be too less. And that's why we want to change this to 9. Okay? So 19 minus 2 minus 6. This is going to be 17 minus 6, which is 11. But guys, remember, we want to make this one more, but we can actually make one less since we're subtracting. Because have a look. If I change this to 5, I can do 18 minus 2 minus 6, which is going to be what, guys? So this is going to be, oh, not 6. I want to change this to 5, don't I? Sorry, 5. So this is going to be 16 minus 5, which is 11. So guys, we have two answers. You could change into 9 or you can change into 5. So that is why you need to check everything, guys, like my analysis over here. Does that make sense, everybody? You could have many answers. All right. So next, this is your turn, guys. So remember, I want you to think whether you only have one answer or there's more answers. So try to remember the full numbers that can only be changed. That makes it a lot easier. And remember, you're not adding. You're taking away one matchsticks. So I'll give you guys 230 seconds. Okay, guys, so the time is up, and let's see what the answer is. And oh, this time we have some wrong answers as well. Sophie and everybody else, please submit your answer. The time is up. You haven't submitted your answer. Anson, Audrey, Sophie, Miranda, and Livy as well. Livy, you haven't submitted your answer. Mia, please submit your answer. Okay, Sophie, you haven't submitted your answer. Okay, good. All right, so now, guys, was this question hard? Because it's actually D. So well done, guys, who selected D. And now, let's have somebody to help me. So, all right, who can help me out for this one? Okay, let's have Alvin. Okay, let's have Alvin. Hello, Alvin.
Hello.
So, first of all, can we change 1 into a different number?
No.
No. What were the 4 numbers that you can change into?
6, 7, 8, 9.
Good, which means all of them can be changed into a different number. Okay, so now, what number can you change 9 into?
8.
No.
You're
not adding, you're only taking away, remember?
4?
Really? You can change 9 into 4 like this?
Oh, no. I forgot.
Try. If you forgot, try it. Try it now. Take 1 out. What number can you make?
Three.
Good. Yes, that's right, Alvin. We can make into 3 like this. There's actually one more. Can you try to remember it? Or try it out?
Yeah.
There's one more number you can make. What number can you make, Alvin?
I think you can make a a 5?
Yes, look. Take this one out. What does it become? It becomes a 5. Good, Alvin. All right. Now, taking away 1 matchstick, what number can you turn 7 into? This one should be easy.
A 1.
That's it. You can turn it into 1. Very good. What about number 6? What number can we change this into?
A 5.
Good. We can change this to number 5. That's right. So we can change this to number 5. And what about number 8? This is a tricky one.
A 9.
Yes. And what else?
A 6.
A 6. Very good. We can turn this to a 6. There's actually one more.
A 0.
Good. You can turn this into a 0. Very good. So, okay, that's the analysis. And now, so we have 4 options. And how did you do this question?
I did this question like 5 minus 1.
How did you do 5 minus 1? Where's 5 and 1?
Oh.
So the first step is, let's try this wrong question. So what is 19 minus 7?
12.
Good, that's 12. What's 12 minus 6?
6.
Good. Our answer should be 6. And actually, Alvin, let's think about it. Can I make this number 8 into 6? Because if we just change the answer, it's going to be correct. Can we change 8 into 6, Alvin?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's why all we need to do is change 8 into 6. So Alvin, look, It's always important to try the wrong equation first. Does that make sense?
Okay.
Thank you, Alvin. And guys, do you guys understand we can make into 8 into 6? Good. Okay, very good, guys. And now, many people said we should change 6. Okay, let's see what happens if we change 6. So 19 minus 7 minus 5. Okay, so what is this, guys? What is this? What's 19 minus 7? 12. What's 12 minus 5? That's right. But it's 8. So is it C, guys? No. Right? So guys, you guys need to be very careful because I saw many people saying it was C. Focus, focus, okay? All right. So now guys, let's have a short break. Does anybody have a good riddle or a joke? Okay. Let's have Jackson. Okay, let's Jackson. Hello, Jackson.
Okay. So it's that I go up and down stairs, but I never move.
Up and downstairs, I never move. Okay. Does anybody know the answer for this riddle? Jackson said you go up and downstairs, but you don't move. Is it elevators? Stairs? What is it, Jackson?
It's a mat.
Ooh, why?
I'm not sure. I just saw it on in Safari.
Oh, okay. Very good. Thank you, Jackson. All right. Okay, let's have Isaac. All right, Isaac, do you have a riddle or a joke?
Riddle.
Riddle.
My dump face is round yet flat. I'm most half seen, sometimes all black. I'm larger than the largest sea, but I can still hide beneath a tree. You might not see me in the day, but I never really go away. What am I?
Oh, that's a hard one. Guys, do you guys know? Is it the shadow? Moon?
No?
Okay, what about help me out, guys? Let me help me, guys. What is it? An owl? A moon?
No?
Air? Okay, what is it, Isaac? I give up.
The moon.
The moon. It was the moon, guys. Thank you, Isaac. That was a good one. Okay, so let's have. Okay, let's have. Okay, Miranda. Hello, Miranda.
I have a riddle and a joke.
Okay, you can only
So
pick
my
one.
riddle is Matthew. My riddle is what belongs to you but is more used by others.
Is that a name?
Yeah.
Aha, that was a good one, Miranda. Did everybody get that? Yes, very good. I love that one. That was a really nice one, Miranda. Thank you. Okay, Livy.
I travel the world, but I stay in one spot.
Sorry, 1 second. Ethan, if you send photos like this, I will never do this joke session. Guys, remember?
It's a
Sorry, Livy. Yep.
yeah.
So, okay, guys, Ethan did something bad. So I think we're going to stop if that behaves continues. Sorry, Livy. So can you repeat your riddle again?
They already guessed it.
Was it a stamp?
Yeah.
Yes. Do you have another one? Let's do one more because you were distracted.
Okay, so What gets wetter and wetter the more it dries?
Ooh, that's a hard one. A towel?
Oh god, so we guessed it.
Oh, you guys are so good. Livy, that's a really good one. Thank you very much. Thank you, Livy. And Livy, make sure to behave well as well. Otherwise, I'm not going to give you a chance to tell me a riddle, okay? But thank you, Livy. All right, guys, I'm gonna stop now. No, sorry. I already saw a picture when I was talking to you, people. So guys, make sure you behave. Don't blame me. Blame your other students. Come on, you guys need to behave well. All right. So Ethan, I want you to say sorry to the class. Ethan. Sorry. Okay. Ethan said sorry. Okay, let's do one last person. Audrey. All right. Hello, Audrey. One last joke or riddle.
It's a riddle.
Riddle. Okay, last one.
The person who makes it sells it. The person who buys it doesn't use it. The person who uses it doesn't know they're using it. What am I?
Oh, that's a hard one. Livy is saying it's coffin. Is it a coffin?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. You guys are so good. That was a good one, Audrey. I've never guessed it. So well done, Audrey. All right. So enough, guys. So now let's do some multiplications. So, guys, we need to remove again. Guys, what were the four numbers? What were the four numbers that we can change into if we are removing, guys? Do you remember? Yes. 6, 7, 8, and 9. So do I need to worry about number 1 and 0 and 3, guys? No. And not even 2. So guys, I'm only left with these two 8. And what numbers can you make 8 into? There were 3 numbers that you can make. Good. 0 and 6 and 9. Again, 0 and 6 and 9. And guys, do you think it's a good idea to multiply 0? No. Okay. Then how about we multiply? Well, before multiplying, let's solve this. Guys, 10 plus 3 times 8. What is 3 times 8, guys? 24 plus 10, which is 34. Our answer is too big. We need to make it smaller, guys. We need to make it smaller. So do you think it's a good idea to change it into 9? No. So we're left with 6. Let's try 10 plus 3 times 6, and this is 18, plus 10, it is 28. So we want to change 8 into number 6. Okay? All right, very good, guys. So I want you guys to, make sure to read these numbers carefully, guys. Look at these numbers carefully. Okay, and now on, Livy, and I saw some other people as well. Don't send me pictures like this. I know, I just type yes. You don't need to send me a picture like that, okay? So, remember, you can only remove one matchsticks, guys. So, have a go, everybody. Okay, guys, so the time is up. And let's see what the answer is for this question. And make sure to submit your answers, everybody. I don't see everybody submitting their answer. And guys, well done. The answer is actually A. So, all right. So let's have, okay, so raise your hand if you want to help me out with this one. Okay, let's have Archie. Okay, hello, Archie.
Hello.
Archie, before you start, can you tell me what were the 4 numbers that we can change into when we're taking away 1 matchstick?
6, 7, 8, 9.
So, do I need to worry about this number 1?
No.
What about this number 1?
No.
What about this number 1?
No.
No. Okay, and let's solve this first. Okay, so what is 1 times 7?
7.
Good. And if you add 18, what do you get?
25.
Good. And what's our answer? It's 19. So you need to think, okay, our answer is a little bit too big. You should make something smaller here or make this bigger, right? But what numbers can you change 9 into? Can you make 9 into a bigger number?
No.
No. What were the numbers that you could make?
5 and 3.
5 and 3. So it's definitely not going to be number 9 because we want a bigger number. Okay, so how about making one of these numbers smaller? So what number can you make 7 into?
1.
Good. What about number 8?
0, 9, and 6.
Good. And do you think it's a good idea to change 8 into 9, making it bigger?
No.
All right, so now we have 3 options. You can either change it to number 1 or 0 or 6. Now, Archie, so let's try 1 times 7 plus 10. What do you get?
17.
Very close, but not the answer. Okay. And what about 16? 1 times 7 plus 16. What do we get?
23.
Good. So nope. So it must be 1. What is 1 times 1?
1.
What's 1 plus 18?
19.
So if you read the question carefully, you will need to change 7, which means this little circular 1. So that's why it's A. Well done, Archie. Thank you very much for helping me out. So that's how you do this question. Does that make sense, everybody? No pictures, just yes. Good. Okay, so now, guys. Good one. Now, guys, what about moving? Who can help me out for this one? Now we need to move. Okay, let's have Camille. Hello, Camille.
Hi.
So now you need to move 1 matchsticks. So what number can we make 0 into?
I don't think you can do it.
I think we can. I'll give you a hint.
6.
Yes, that's right. If we move this one down here, we can make it into 6. Very good. I think there's one more though, Camille. Can you try?
5.
No.
Nine.
Yes, if we move this over here, we can actually make it into 9. Very good, Camille. So what about number 1? Can we change it into a new number by moving?
No.
No. Very good. What about 2?
5.
I don't think so. 5 looks like this. So
3.
3, good. So yes, we can make it into 3. And what about 3?
9.
9? Have a look, Camille. If I move this over here, what do I get?
2.
Yes, I can make
2.
2. There's actually one more though.
5.
Yes, good. What about number 4?
I don't think so.
Good. That's right. What about number 5?
2.
2? No.
3.
Yes, 3. What about number 6?
9.
Yes, we can make it into 9 like this. Very good. There's actually one more.
8.
8? No, you can only move, not add. 0.
0.
Yes. What about number 7?
I don't think you can make one.
Good. That's right, Camille. What about number 8?
You can't do it.
Very good. What about number 9?
6.
Yeah, that's right. We can make it into 6. There's actually one more.
0.
Good. Well done, Camille. So, moving one matchstick is really interesting. Do you know why, Camille? We have 3 special numbers. Have a look at number 0 and number 6 and number 9. Notice this, Camille. 0, 6, 9 can turn into other 2 numbers. 0 can turn into 6 and 9. 6 can turn into 9 and 0. 9 can turn into 6 and 0. So these are the 3 special numbers, okay? And there's actually another special number, but a little bit different. 2 and 5, these 2 can both turn into 3, but 2 and 5 cannot be turned into each other. Only number 3 can turn into 2 and 5. And the rest, you cannot make into new number. Okay, Camille? Very good. Thank you very much for helping me out, Camille. And does everybody understand these special numbers and the relationship? Yes, good. Good, guys. All right. So now, let's have a look at this question. So, guys, let's solve it first. Guys, 81 plus 1 equals to 1, guys. Easy. 82. And now, what about 9? What's 82 plus 9? 91. But wait a minute, guys. 9 can turn into what, guys? 9 can turn into 0 and 6. And I already have 82. So, if I change this to 0, I have my answer. Ta-da! Really easy, right? So always try to solve it first, guys. If you try and solve it first, you might get some clues. Okay? Yes, Jeremy, did you want to say something? Yes?
Can I do a riddle?
Oh, no, that's for the break. Okay?
Okay.
All right. All right. So now, guys, this is your turn. Remember, you're moving, not adding, not subtracting, guys. You're moving. And look at the numbers below very carefully, guys. Okay, guys, so the time is up. So don't forget to submit your answers, everybody. And let's see, guys. So the correct answer, yes, it is A. So well done, guys. Now, who can help me out for this question? Okay, so let's have Miranda Zhang. Hello, Miranda.
Hello.
Hello. So how did you do this question? Can you please explain?
Make the 6 into 0.
Make 6 into 0. Okay, so that's the answer. All right, so let's solve it first, though. So 76 plus 8 plus 3. So what is 76 plus 8?
76 plus 8 equals to 84.
Good. What is 84 plus 3?
87.
87. So have a look, Miranda. Do we have a bigger answer or a smaller answer to what we have over here?
Bigger.
And yes, that's right. And also, Miranda, do you remember, can we change 1 into a new number by moving 1 matchsticks?
No.
No. So what does that mean? Our answer doesn't change. So we must we need to make something equal to AT1. So, but right now, we have a bigger number, so we need to make numbers smaller. So, I know you said the answer is 0, but what numbers can you make 6 into? There were 2 numbers that you can make.
5.
Really?
I mean 9.
Yes, 9 and also 0 like you said. What numbers can I make 8 into by moving 1 matchsticks?
Forgot.
Try.
Yeah. 9.
We can make this into a 9 by moving?
I know.
I don't think we have any spaces left to move, Miranda, so the answer is none. Okay?
Uh-huh.
What about 3? We can change this into a new number. What number can we change this into?